identity of the self. We all have multiple identities depending on the audience that we're engaging with. I can be a mother.
Hi, Ray Rowan. Hi, Ray boy.
So good. Yeah, look good. A chef.
For this family, it's a lot of dishes.
I'm a writer.
Can you believe my own character is talking to me? I've given you the physics of being, the poetry of life.
I'm a music appreciator. I'm a complex, cosmic, universal queen.
IRENA is a special, extraordinary woman, and I try to tell her, you know, with or without me, you're an amazing human being, an amazing creature, and I love her, I admire her, I'm endeared to her. She's an extraordinary person, and I've had the good fortune and the good luck and to meet this woman and to be with this woman. Obviously, I love IRENA so dearly that it is an honor to marry her.
I married an artist because I was trained as an engineer, yet I have a deep love and passion for the arts, and I needed someone to live it with and through and help realize any and all artistic dreams.
Personally, I feel look, I'm in my own world. I'm protected, very fortunate, and but even in that world,
What's your secret? My secret is you. You're my secret. You're my love letter. You're my genius. You're my super. Yeah, her, that one, that beautiful one.